Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you have seen dry mode on your LG portable AC and wondered what it actually does or when you should use it, do not worry because many people get confused by this setting at first. Sometimes people switch on dry mode expecting strong cooling, while other times they notice the LG portable AC behaves differently and wonder if something is wrong. Since dry mode on an LG portable AC is designed to help reduce extra moisture in the air rather than cool like normal AC mode, learning how it works can make everything feel much simpler. The good part is that once you understand dry mode, your LG portable AC can feel much more useful during humid weather. In this video, let's go through several easy points to understand dry mode on an LG portable AC. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the LG portable AC and locate the mode button before selecting dry mode. Step 2. Switch the LG portable AC to dry mode if the room feels humid. Step 3. Notice how the LG portable AC reduces moisture while using lighter cooling than normal AC mode. Step 4. Let the LG portable AC run for some time so dry mode can improve room comfort gradually. Step 5. Check the LG portable AC if extra water collection increases because dry mode removes humidity. Step 6. Test different settings on the LG portable AC and confirm dry mode feels useful during humid days.